In this video, I'll show you how to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs. So, unusual activity detected running on ElevenLabs usually happens because of many reasons. Some of them are VPN and proxy users. Maybe you made too many requests. Sometimes you've tried to create multiple free accounts to leverage the usage of 10, 100, or 10,000 as example credits of each new account. As example, also shared IPs can make that problem as well, or maybe some browser/session issues and automated activity detection. So we're going through all these options. First of all, for the most common use is a VPN, proxy, cloud, if you're using as example, a Cloudflare or WAR, or maybe some browser VPN extension. Make sure to turn off that, disable that, whatever you're using. If you're using, as example, VPN on your PC, or if you're using it as an extension, if you're using Warp as an example here, make sure to disable all of that. So if you did all of that and it still haven't worked or didn't work, try to log out and clear the browser data. If you don't want to clear your browser data, you use it too much, you have a lot of information in your data, make sure to create or go, as example, login into a new browser. Make sure it's fresh, clear the data of the another browser. If you don't have it, just go and install a new browser and use that browser. It should fix the issue. If that didn't work as well, make sure to avoid multiple tabs, spam requests as example. So maybe you have ElevenLabs example, multiple tabs, and one tab you're doing something, another tab you're doing the same thing. So multiple tabs doing different stuff. You have multiple tabs or requests. It may get you to red flag you as an example in ElevenLabs. If you generating a lot, if you have something, maybe automation tools and macros, or may be constant retries, it will slow down your things and you may get flagged and you get that error. So make sure to slow down your usage. So other than that, try to use another network. Maybe your IP was flagged. So try as an example, maybe the mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi if you have the option to. So if none of these works, you can just try, as example, some extensions to disable them, because sometimes some extensions trigger anti-bot system or anti-bot system. So maybe it makes the page auto refresh, or maybe there's some automation tools that you have an extension, maybe the privacy spoofers. Make sure to disable them temporarily and check temporarily, and of course, check if you still have the issue or not. And if none of these works, the last option or as a last resort, if nothing works and you make sure or you made sure you've done nothing wrong, just go and contact support and explain example you were flagged incorrectly and mention VPN if you previously used it and you disable it and it still haven't worked. So maybe you'll have to contact them and tell them, oh, I don't use them or I didn't know or something like that, and they will give you back the account access. Of course, you can contact them at simply just type a new tab support like ElevenLabs and you should be taken here. So click on submit a request and basically just enter the details and every information that you want, click on submit, and they should get back to you to the email that you entered right here. So of course it should be associated with your ElevenLabs accounts. It will help them resolve your issue faster. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.